Good morning, Rebels. It's Rita. Okay, so today is going to be a little bit different. We got all the kids off to school. Brandon's at work. I'm at home. Today we are going to start our house to home edition. We did buy a house about 2 years ago. It might be a little bit over 2 years ago, somewhere in that area. Initially, when we bought our house, I think that I was in such a rush to get stuff in the house that I really didn't pay attention to like how I wanted the house to feel or what kind of flow I wanted it to have, or even so much as the color scheme. People technically consider us to have like a big house, but I think that I was just trying to fill up all of the empty space. And now that we've actually been in our house for a little bit of time, you know, we've like, you know, lived here and we have like different experiences and memories here. Now I feel like I know more of how I want the house to flow and how I want it to look and how I want it to feel. And so we decided that we are going to go ahead and start doing like some updates and some just remodeling in the house. Now with that being said, I can tell you guys right now that this is probably going to be a long process for the simple fact that we don't want to have to pull out any loans or borrow any money to get the renovations and the remodeling and the updates done. So what we're going to do is we are just going to save money and then make the updates little by little. We decided to start in our bedroom first and then kind of work our way out into the living room, the kitchen, the foyer, etc., etc., and then eventually upstairs. I am going to show you guys what our bedroom, our master bedroom looks like right now before any updates or any remodeling. And then of course we will come back as we add pieces and take things away to show you like how it's coming along. All right, so directly when you walk in, we have our flat screen TV on the wall here. I do have my shoe closet here. It's kind of hard to see, but behind this door is my shoe closet. Not really gonna worry about this room right now for the simple fact that we're not touching that room at the moment. There is a swatch right here on the wall. You guys can just pay that no mind. We were testing out colors for our accent wall because this wall is going to be our accent wall. We both have a nightstand on each side. Of course, our bed is right here. Right to the right we have, so we had this what is that, a canvas, I guess, and that is just something that people signed when we got married. I'm panning the room right now. So windows, and then we have one of our wedding pictures, and then we also have like this really long body styled mirror, full body mirror that a friend actually gave me. It came with a remote and everything, so I'm just gonna glam that up and make it look a little bit more presentable. And then we have our dresser drawers right here, and there's a bunch of clutter and stuff on it right now. More paint swatches because we were trying to get a feel for what color we wanted the room and how we kind of want everything to flow. And then we have this really old wooden ceiling fan. I'm not a really big fan of rustic things, and I think that looks kind of rustic to me. So yeah, and then there's a couple rugs on the floor. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with the rugs yet, but I don't know if they're gonna stay or if they're gonna go, but we'll figure that out. So yeah, this is what our master bedroom looks like right now. That's what it looks like right now. I am about to head out and I'm going to go to Home Goods and maybe At Home and Kirkland's. I actually love Kirkland's. They always have really nice pieces that you can get to kind of spruce up your house for a low cost. So I'm not trying to like break the bank or anything. I want to remodel this budget friendly, if that makes sense. That's about it. About to jump in the car. Watch the breakdown. I know I said I was going to At Home, but I knew that I was going to be passing Hobby Lobby on my way there, so I decided to stop at Hobby Lobby first and then head over to At Home. So I'm trying to find some little mirrors for in our room. Those aren't gonna work. There's only one of those. I would need two. So that's not gonna work. Those are all too big to go over the nightstand. Okay. I don't know how that would. That would actually probably. That would probably work. That would probably work. Let's see. I'm trying to decide if that would work. The only thing is I don't know if Brandon likes that shape. I think that would work in our room. Or maybe even this circle one. I just left Hobby Lobby. I thought I was actually going to be able to find something in Hobby Lobby that I liked. The things that I saw in Hobby Lobby that I actually liked, there weren't two of. And then the ones that I did like, I sent pictures to Brandon and he didn't like. I guess I'll just head on over to At Home like I was initially supposed to and see if there's anything there that I can find. I'm also probably going to hit Target because y'all know it. Target be having some real good finds, okay? So I'm probably gonna hit Target and then I may or may not hit Ross. I'm so barefaced. I may or may not hit Ross today or TJ Maxx. I don't know. I might do it tomorrow because it is already 11:15 and I'm hungry, so I need to grab lunch too. Next stop. Y'all, the GPS be so disrespectful. At Home. Let's see if we can't do any better at Home because Hobby Lobby, that was a disappointment. Okay, y'all, so the color scheme that I'm changing our master bedroom to, I think I'm gonna do navy blue, gray, and then yellow for like a pop of color. And so I am thinking I want to put something on our dresser and I want to kind of like do something that's like stacks, you know what I mean, like in levels. So it's like small, medium, large, something like that, to kind of like offset it. I don't want everything all balanced. So I'm thinking about these two little pieces right here. The only thing is that I don't, oh, that's broken. The only thing is that I don't want it to be like too matchy in the room, you know? Plus I don't know how tall, that tall vase, I don't know how high it would be from where the TV is mounted on the wall, where we're gonna move the wall to, so we will see. Well, I don't have to worry about picking up lamps because, hold on, I might have just lied. We did pick out lamps already online. We got lamps from Overstock, which I don't even know why I'm looking at lamps right now if we already got lamps from Overstock, because what are you doing? Okay, let me just, y'all right, let me just get off this aisle because I ain't got no business over here. Thank you for keeping me on. Oh my God, those are so cute. Look, you guys. Ain't it cute? Like, yes, bitch. This is so cute. Okay. I mean, the makeup room is going to get a makeover. Let me not, I mean, I will glam it up a bunch, but gosh. That's like, why I can't get my stuff to look like this? Y'all. I'm just saying, this is all I be wanting in life, is for my room to look like this. And then we have kids. Jerks. Let me get away from these lamps before we have a problem. Ow, stupid basket hit me in the shin. Ow. I really gotta stop looking at it, but these lamps are kind of cute. You know what? No, Rita, girl, you hard-headed. For real. Maybe I should do gold pieces instead of yellow. And the reason I say that is because I'm finding it really hard to find some yellow pieces to go in the room for my pop of color. But you would think because it's springtime right now, I could find yellow, and I can't find yellow. Okay, I might have hit the jackpot if I can mesh some stuff together. What about this vase right here, y'all? I think that's kind of unique and cute, and it does have like the pop of yellow, and it also has the blue. Like at home, y'all they trying to get down on me right now. Why would they put that close? Because they trying to get down on me so I can break something. Then they gonna hit me with the Chinese, you break, you buy. I'm not finna play with y'all. I'ma slowly, that's what I'm gonna do, slide it out there like that in your face at home. This thing is heavy. Yeah, and then maybe I can probably stick some flowers or something out of it. I'm gonna put it, or should I just leave it empty? Because the vase is cute by itself alone. I'm eyeballing that round looking vase right now to kind of, or maybe this one. No, I don't like that one too much. I really like that round one. Okay, well, I guess we'll just keep looking. Nothing over there really. Y'all see how this stuff on clearance? Y'all better come get y'all some stuff from at home. Stop playing. Yes, for the yellow accessories. Okay. Now, yes. All right. Let's see what this little guy's talking about. Because I could easily put these on the nightstand and put like a little flower out of it. I don't know about this tall, slinky one. Let's see what we have over here. I do like that oval shape more. Which one is that? Oh no, not together. I don't. Okay, you guys, so I found some really good stuff in at home. I picked up a couple of mirrors. We are gonna grab some vases. I saw a couple of vases that I like, but I called Brandon, and I think what we decided is that we're just gonna go home, sketch our room, and kind of, this might sound petty or childish, but I need to do this. Like, I'm a visual person, and I need to like see what it looks like on paper and then try and bring it all together. So we're gonna go home and we are gonna sketch our room, and we're gonna color everything in and see how it looks on paper, and then we're gonna try and transfer what we did on paper into the room, if that makes sense. But I'm super hungry. It's like 12:30. I really didn't have any breakfast. I had like 2 bites of yogurt, so I am about to go and pick up some lunch right now, and then I'm gonna head over to Walmart and pick up some groceries for this week. I need to go to the post office, and I need to drop off some of y'all shirts. Y'all ordered shirts, and I need to get shirts sent out, so that's what we're about to do now. Y'all, low-key, I think I'm addicted to Chick-fil-A. Like, every time I think about eating lunch, this is the first place that comes to mind. I don't know what's wrong with me. But the line is like so ridiculously long. Like, it don't matter what time of day you come to Chick-fil-A, they always jumping. Like, it's Club Chick-fil-A. I'm not mad though. I'm not mad. Okay, Chick-fil-A, I see you with the people out, the curbside service, because you want to get the line going and moving, because folks hungry, and y'all know better than let black people starve. Y'all know we don't like to wait to eat. Probably gonna make this face till it's time to eat. That's like Stevie J face. But hold on. My face looks so bad on this side. Yeah, I know what I did to make my face look like that. What I was doing, narrowing my eyebrows. I was narrowing my eyebrows the other day. I just decided, you know what? I'm just gonna put some narrow on the side of my jaw. Now, listen, I know what y'all thinking. Why would you do that? I don't know why I did it. I was at home by myself, and y'all already know I can't be left at home by myself because stuff like this happens. I tried to narrow my brows. Well, I did have my brows, but my jaw was also involved in that. And I only did one side. That was what was stupid, y'all. I only did this side. I didn't do the other side. Now that I say that out loud, I probably shouldn't have said that out loud. Anyway, this is what happened. See that scar? It'll be gone though, because I be using these miracle drops on my face that be having my life right. Be making me look youthful because I'm 25. Okay. So I just made it to Walmart. I had to take my time and sit in the car and eat my chicken sandwich, my lunch, because y'all, Chick-fil-A just been so good to me. Like, they've been so good to me. Every time I go through the drive-thru and I either order a #1 or a market salad, I swear to God, y'all, I don't know what it is, but I just feel like they know it's me and they give me the big chicken piece. You know what I'm saying? The big chicken breast to go on my salad or to go on my sandwich. Because every time I open up my package and I look at how big that meat is, I be like, who the hell they think finna eat this big ass piece of chicken? And then the other part of me be like, you know what? Be grateful, Rita, because you need that. You trying to gain weight. You trying to get thick for the summer. And Chick-fil-A just looking out. So I love y'all. Chick-fil-A, y'all can never do no wrong in my book. I love you. I always got love for you. I took that sandwich down slow. I didn't even rush it this time. I took it down slow. I just want to let y'all know how much of a blessing they've been to me in my life. And now I'm supposed to go to Walmart. Oh, y'all, I look a mess right now, okay? Y'all know I've been running errands today.
Hey, love. So, guess what we got cooking?
I finished running my errands at home. Y'all know I just went looking at some stores to see what we're gonna start remodeling the house with, or kind of like updating the house with. I look so tired right now and I look very washed out. Anyway, I just finished dinner. We did seafood macaroni tonight for dinner. The meat that I used was shrimp, crab meat, and crawfish. I know there are recipes that calls for shrimp, crab meat, and lobster. I wasn't really feeling lobster tonight. I don't know if my kids actually eat lobster. I know Michael does. I'm not sure about Mikhail and Madison, so I wasn't gonna even waste my time. But anyway, seafood macaroni is right here. I'll scoop, even though I really don't want to. I don't want to mess with the perfection, but it's like really gooey in there. And then we have those cheddar biscuits in the oven from Red Lobster. So that's what's gonna be dinner tonight. When we're about to plate everything, I'll come back and show y'all. Brandon should be here in a little bit, but I'm so tired, y'all. Like right now I have a headache. I think my blood pressure might be up. I don't know. But anyway, I'll come back to y'all in a second. Okay, so Brandon just made it home. He's about to try the seafood mac and cheese if he can give me a fork. It's hot, honey.
I see.
Yeah. I said it's hot. I just pulled it out. And I just told you I had it on broil. Good or no?
It's worth the burnt lip. This is delightful.
Okay, great. Well, that is it, you guys. That is all for today. My head is hurting, so until next time, choose life. I love you guys. Thanks so much for joining me. Make sure you subscribe.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Hey, you heard her. Give him a big thumbs up.
Yeah.
Bro, what your daddy tell you about that balloon?
Okay.
Okay.